Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at the AlphaTech IQ Charger 2.4. This is a spy cam, looks like a charger, and you can connect to it wirelessly via Wi-Fi. Let's open it up and check it out. So this is everything in the box. We got our user's manual. Everything is well done here. We'll walk you through step by step. You have some little accessory tools and some labels that you'll be able to put on the back to make it look even more stealth. We have a USB cord right here so that you can plug it into the front to power it off of a power bank. We'll talk about that later. We've got a USB cord here that you can also plug into the front to really sell the effect that it's just a charger and not a spy cam. We have a micro SD card reader right here you can use if you don't have one. This one will attach to the very end and then you can plug it into your phone so you could read it right off of that. And then we have the spy cam itself. So this is what the charger looks like up close, and this black is super stealth. You can't hardly see this thing unless you're really looking for it. So it blends in perfectly. Otherwise, it looks like any other standard type of brick charger. On the back here, you've got your micro SD card slot, and this can support up to a 512 gigabyte card. Now, getting this thing set up is easy. Put in an SD card, plug it into the outlet, give it a second to get boot up, and you're gonna be able to connect to it wirelessly via Wi-Fi with the app. Now, it is the Tuya app. It's free. It's really easy to set up. You can use the booklet right here and follow along page by page, or you can even scan a QR code and watch it in video format. And once you connect with the app, you'll be able to activate the camera and you have total control over the different camera features and recording options. Best part, as mentioned, the app is free, so no additional out-of-cost expenses. Just set it up and you're ready to go, and all the tutorials are really easy to follow along. Now, right now, this only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Okay, they are in a beta testing phase right now for a dual band wireless camera that can support both 2.4 and 5Gs, but they have plenty of videos there to show you how to set up a 2.4 setup if it doesn't happen already or you don't have one. But 9 times out of 10, when you have the cable guy come, they're gonna create a 2.4 and a 5G network for you anyways. So you got the camera, you can plug it in, set it and forget it, and they include some additional cables here to really sell the effect like you just got done charging a phone, or maybe you want to stage it with a power bank, like you finished charging the power bank but now it's still laying around. You've got that. So now, because you're going to be able to connect via Wi-Fi, you can actually record and take photos right into the phone. So technically speaking, an SD card isn't necessarily required in order to use the camera. However, if you want it to record while you're not connected, you're probably going to want to have an SD card installed for the most versatility and ability to capture whatever it is you want to capture. But getting it set up to the app is super quick. It only takes 5 minutes, and now you can see it's actually live streaming right to my phone. So I can hold it here, have a conversation with you here or there. Yeah, I can take a little screenshot and take a picture like so. I can also hit a record button, and now it's recording. And actually, right now we're getting really good video quality, right, and good image coming out of this thing right here, which is super nice and convenient. Like I said, you can record that right from the phone and you can monitor whenever you want from wherever you're at. At the end of the day, we've got a nice versatile camera with good image quality day and night. Plus, you've also got that ability to connect wirelessly via Wi-Fi from anywhere you want. We've also got that motion detection. You can get push notifications right to your phone and log in instantly as soon as this thing is triggered. You can also go back, see any of the video that is captured throughout the day if it was turned on and triggered as well. So you got playback and review from anywhere at any particular time. So you can use a few different cameras to keep an eye on your entryway or other doors, or you can keep an eye on your pets or your kids while you're away, and you'll be able to see all of your different cameras within the app. You can connect something like 16 different cameras with the app, and with multi-viewing, you'd actually be able to view all of them simultaneously at the same time. So that means you can install as many cameras as you need, control them in the app, and then you can monitor whatever it is you want from wherever you want. So if you're looking for a hidden camera that doesn't look like one, then you want to check out the AlphaTech Wireless 2.4. Super lightweight, convenient, and easy to use.